Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? Oh, I woke up real late today. Yeah, just woke up late. I don't see nothing at this moment. Um, did we drag off of this previous high this morning? Right now, there's nothing really much. We might come back down here. Mm, this demand zone is still out of here. This 526 area. Gold. Sure. Do a trade recap on gold from yesterday. Before I got off alive, I had entered here at this 33.97 area, and I was expecting to move back up to this high of yesterday. Fortunately, I took profit. Around here, like I think it was. Yeah, I think it was around here. This red candle, I think I took I took two off. I had four contracts. I took two off. Then I stopped out over here, right back below this one. And I made like 140, something like that. 140, 170, something like that. Yeah. That took a while, but it never reached our stop, so that was good. And then once it did break up this high, started getting some momentum. I moved my stop loss. I moved my stop loss up to this recent high once we made a higher high. And once we came back and broke it, that's when I stopped out. So it was a green trade regardless. It wasn't enough to put me back as green on the day, but it did help me out a little bit from yesterday's red day. It wasn't that big. It was very small. Today what I'm watching is, let me see what I got here on gold. Not really much. Not really much. Well, we have a significant level here at 33.53. Not really much unless we get back below. If we get below this breakdown, come back and retest it, I'll get in that. But for right now, it's just consolidating. Keep an eye on it though. QQQ. Don't really like either. There's really nothing going on. Once we break lows, we're too close to this demand to go short. We could look to go long, but then again, look, we just rejected hard. Look at this candle. Look at these candles. Look at this rejection candle versus these rejection candles. These are much bigger, so you don't wanna short a big rejection. I mean, you don't want to bounce a big rejection. So taking a bounce right here, you don't wanna go long here after a strong reject. So if anything, take that away. Unless we just show some unless we show strength, then I'll get in. But other than that, not really. But if we do break below, I'm open to go short. Break below come back up, test it. We got room into this 524, and then this I think this is a trend line too. Yeah, into this trend line. To this trend line, and then this little bit of demand here too. A little bit of support here at the 523 after 524. So we'll see what happens. Other than that, not really much. Yeah. See where rewrap is at. We just rejected rewrap, failed it. I mean, came back down, tested this demand from pre-market low. We're holding it, but we still have VWAP here, which is technically still resistant. So you don't want to bounce anything right here. So it's pretty much not too much going on today. So I didn't really miss much. And Q's the same thing. Q just rejected this previous high on a this previous high from when this was May, in the May. If we get back up here, we can short it, but I'm only looking to go short right here. So you have to fill this area. Oh shoot, I forgot I had that like that. Alright, yeah, in this area. It's only really significant area I want to short at. Actually, this could be a head and shoulders here. See this? Boom, boom. The left shoulder, the right shoulder, and then the head and the right shoulder. A potential right shoulder. This could be here. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I see. The left shoulder, the head, and then a potential right shoulder. We could possibly get that. But we need to show some weakness around this area. And I'll look to go short. It's not bad, but it's not the best. So I won't. We'll just be patient and see what happens. We might bounce here. We just might. But I don't really like it. See how I said don't bounce anything? Just look, V-Bups right here. You're just gonna get crushed. Oh. Oh, there's nothing really going on, dude. Okay, gold is looking like it's pushing. It wants to go lower. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a potential trade, but I'm gonna scalp it. Okay, and I'm keeping a stop loss. It's gonna be quick, so we just gotta be ready for it. It's gonna be a quick scalp. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys something. So you know how I said the left shoulder? You got the head and the right shoulder that can form, right? That can, not saying it will form, but it can form. So there's a potential setup. All right, so since we're looking for it for this to happen, right? Right now we are consolidating in this area from 521 700 into 21,760. Okay, this is a range right now. We got this structure that we just broke down. We're below, and we got this demand that we're bouncing off of. So in between this, we're consolidating. So what I'm looking forward to is a break above, come back down, retest, and move higher into this right shoulder. Okay, we could take that, but we need a clean break and a retest in order for you to make it in. Our stop loss would be that candle, the candle that breaks out, that candle low. We could take that, but I'm taking it size, like I'm sizing light, like nothing real heavy, not original position size, just something light. I'm just gonna scalp it just to test it out. All right, so we're risking probably let's see, it's probably gonna be like this much. Yeah, risking 34 to make 74, 2 to 1 R. Okay, so you're risking like 30 bucks to make 70 bucks, which is good, right? Because you wanna make more than what you risk, and you're doubling that. Well, we're doubling that if this happens. So let's see. I'm in the smaller time frame too. but it looks good. Gold. Look at gold. Gold looks better. If we get gold first, um, probably just gonna take gold instead. Gold on breakdown what it's doing. Come next candle break comes back up, tests it, test this level. The same level is breaking down below. We get enter. We keep our stop above the candle high. Look at that. Boom. Look at NQ. Oh shoot. Let's see. I'd rather take gold. But we need a clean closure. We don't need this type of wicks on this candle. We got 3 minutes left, so we're just gonna stay patient and see what happens. NQ doesn't want to give it to us, neither does gold. And Q just rejected off of that we map. I'm breaking. We might break. Nose here. I want to delete this out the way because we're not gonna trade that, right? We just failed. We failed it and then reclaimed it. This is strong now. This has potential to reach back up to open. Um, um, this day high. and then even to pre-market high. Look at NQ. No, we just felt it so hard. It's no longer valid. I mean, it can be, but we have to go way back up again, which is just not real ideal right now. I think we break lows, come back down to 645. I'm just gonna wait. Let's see what SPY doing. SPY and ES. The other futures. We already broke on SPY. We broke out of this consolidation right here. Look at that. We broke out of that. We came back, we retested it, and we're testing it right now. Let's see. I kind of like this. Kind of like it. What could hold us up? Nothing's on this up. I'm gonna take an entry. Let me see where view app's at. Yep. I'm gonna take an entry. Fuck. MES. MES. Fuck. I'm gonna take an entry here. I'm gonna go short here. I'm shorting ES and SPY. I'm shorting here. I'm gonna keep a stop loss of It's kind of hard. I'm gonna keep a big stop loss here, but I'm looking for. Shoot, where is it? I'm looking for. There's no stop loss here. I'm looking for a move down into lows, and then we pretty much have room all the way down. Once we break 593.50, once we break 593.50, we have room down to 589. So it's a good setup. I'm trying to see what these freaking lines are. What is this here? Okay, that's just that. I can delete it. That's nothing to. That ain't nothing. And if we get to VWAP, I'll add. That is my stop loss. So, as long as we ain't strong. If we're not strong, I'll add a couple at VWAP. And then I'll actually add my full position. I'm in very light. I only got 2 contracts right here. I like this because look, we just broke down this. Look at this area. It was broken out, came back, retested it. This demand pre-market yesterday, after hours yesterday, the pre-market this morning, and now we're trading below it, right? We're trading below it and coming back and retesting this area, and we're trading below VWAP. So this is just like this is a high probability setup. We just have to be patient, and because we do have a wide stop, we have to size accordingly. So if we come down right now and break lows, I'm gonna actually full sell and look for I'm gonna full sell, take profit on these, and look for another entry. I know this happened pretty fast, but you can still get in. It's at my average right now. It's at my average right now. Check out ES because sometimes it does look different, but I think it's matching up pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, it looks great, man. Fuck. Look at gold already pushing back up highs. In Q still same area. I'm just gonna put a. Let's see. Okay, we didn't reach it, so we got a notification thing. I'm gonna keep my eyes on SPY right now. I'm still break even, so looks like I got a bad average. I should have waited for a little week higher into it, but it's okay. It is okay. Alright, that does it every time. I'll be fine. Okay, it doesn't do it. It's alright. This looks beautiful, girl. Why does it look like that over there? What the world? Okay. Alright, we're at the top now. I'm looking to add here around this top a little bit higher, and I'm looking to add some stones with this top of the top of the resistance and VWAP here. So it's still good. We're down $60 right now. The most we'll probably risk is maybe like 100, to be honest. I'm gonna take a ad here.
Order filled. Order filled.
And I got one more ad in me, at VWAP. So let's see. Let's see. We need a weak candle. We had low volume on this push up. Look at that. It looks good. This looks good. We have low volume on this push up, right? But we're going into VWAP. Let's see. Okay, look, we're a little strong here. We can exit. We can always exit. It's at my stop. Come on. I'm not in full position. I only got 4 contracts. But if we push higher, I'm out. Oh, and if we push higher, if we close weak here, we got a minute left. We close below a VWAP. I'll add. Ideally, we close back into this this resistance and below VWAP, and I'll add. But if we push higher, I gotta stop out. 40 seconds. Risking more than what I wanted to. We're at 160. $13 seconds. 2, 1. It's right at my stop. It didn't close below VWAP, so I think this pushes higher. Yeah, stop. Fuck.
Order
Fuck.
filled. Order
Damn.
filled.
Way more than what I wanted. It wasn't a bad trade though. Just reclaimed. I was a little late too because I did get in here and in here. I should have got in once it did break. Come back and test it. I would have probably took profit, but it's fine. 245 loss. Look at NQ now. NQ broke out. Don't want to really want to take this, but if we get it, I'll take it. Remember what I told you guys? This slow consolidation here. I'll keep a stop under here. I'm gonna take it light. Also, I'm not gonna go heavy on this, but we just need a retest here, and we target here. If we don't just go right. I'm gonna test some short
Order
here
filled.
on NQ.
Order
I'm
filled.
shorting into this. I kind of like this. Into the market open, right? Market open here. Gonna try some short here.
Order filled.
I'm actually
Order
gonna add
filled.
to this right now. Boom. Look at this. I like this look. Inverted head and shoulders. Right into this. Right into it. I'm taking off like everything I got. So let's see. From 800 to 4, risking 10 to make 40, I think. Yeah, to make 40. No, to make 30. 10 to make 30. 31R. Gonna add here.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's it. I'm not adding anymore. We need to just go right now. We need to go straight down here. Then I'll flip long. I'll flip to go long once we go there. That's for like $100. That stop was pretty crazy. Stop is up here. I'm short here right now. Right, this red line, I'm short. Looking for a move here. Just a scalp. This can happen very quickly. Or we can get stopped out very quickly since we already at our stop right now. we break down to the 77. I'll take some trims. Come on, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Boom, took two
Order
out, four
filled.
off on it.
Order filled.
Got two left. I'm waiting for that target, for the last target. Waiting for the last target. Come on. A little bit lower. My stop is now break even. If we come back to this red line, that's where my entry's at. That's 2170, 796. So once we come back to this red line, I'm out. Like if we come here on this same candle, if this wicks up, I'm out. If this next candle comes up, hits it, I'm out. Or breaks above it, I'm out. Right now we're still looking decent. We're still looking decent. Just need a boom.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go, baby. Look at that. Just made everything back from that previous trade in a matter of fucking 6 minutes. Fuck yes. Look at that. Very fucking weak. Damn. Now we're back in this. If we close weak here, we're back in this range. Look at that. Let's fucking go. Just made the money back, dude. We're just gonna wait for a little bit. I just took 2 trades. This one was kind of like forceful in a way, but boom. Essentially break even. Took a $245 loss and then I took the $235 win. Basically break even. Down still $10, but oh well. It's a good trade though. Almost got stopped out too, but it didn't really break the house, so I stayed in. What if this is the freaking reversal, bro? That'd be crazy, right? What if this just like continues lower from here? What if this is like the lower high? Look at that. We got a high. We got a lower low. I mean yeah, we got a high, a low, a higher low. I mean a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Potentially we can make another lower low. Then we're in a fucking downtrend, which we kind of are right now. Kinda. We have to break this one, and then we're in a downtrend. But then we still got this demand here, so we're not really in the trend. We're just talking in this in intraday. We're in a downtrend. Damn, that was a good trade, dude. That was a great trade to me, in my opinion. Man, it's super great. Let's see what everything else is doing. Let's check out gold. Gold is still fucking around. Look at this, bro. Look at freaking SPY. It just came back below. I'm not looking to short this right now. I don't know how to treat this. I don't treat this type of action. Reclaim, fell it again. It's not ideal, but I mean, yeah, looks good for lower. So I'm speaking as fucking pushing lower. Look at that shit, bro. What is this, bro? What is this right now? What the fuck is this? Technically, kind of like a demand. Cause look at this. Okay. I don't like it, but I'm saying, look, we have this when this was Mondays. Mondays high. We have this. This is now support for here. This is now support. This high. This high. We broke out of it, and this cannot. This is now turn support until we get back below. All shorts off the table. We have to get back below this 595, 59.55. Right now we just failed this, so we're still weak. We're weak, right? So in order to continue to be weak, we have to break below that. Once break below that, we can short any type of pop down into that. Look at that. We just held it. Look at that bounce. Fucking flush of fucking dump of what? There's a $24 dump on the ES, which is massive. NQ was a freaking what? $100 dump. Now we're just reclaiming 50% of it back already. That's insane. Look at that. We're gonna. Oh wow, dude. Damn, I don't think we're gonna do much today. We might come back up. Essentially break even again. Yesterday I was break even. Today I'm break even. I don't know. Just kind of having a little rough time with this type of market right now. Oh, NQ. We got news or something? I don't think so. Let's see if we got some news. See if we got some news. What is it called? What the fuck? Let's go with where's that one app I use? Wall Street Journal. Yeah, we can use this. Oh, what? You gotta fucking buy this? What the fuck? I think it's called Market News. Market Watch. There we go. That's the one I'm talking about. I don't think we have to pay for this. When did they start doing this shit? Let's see if we can do this right here. What the fuck? Alright, let's just do the trading view news. I don't know what's going on. Forgot which one it was. What the fuck? Any news or something? Huh. I don't know. I think we're just jumping around right now. We just gained some volatility. Yeah. So I think I don't think we're gonna get anything else. We could possibly get another entry. There at the top of. Ooh, I gotta take an entry. It's gotta be a short entry at 21.9. I'm not gonna take this. I don't like how it looks now. Keep an eye out for it too. And I'll set an alert for here too, cause like we're putting in a higher, lower, higher low, higher high, potential another higher low possibly. But we can also just continue going higher into all-time highs on the Qs. Um, I'll put an alert up here once we break this 532. Why is it red? I changed red. Blue. There's still resistance. We still have this. We delete that. We'll keep these here just in case. We could go strong. We could I'll get into that later. Boom. I hope we get there. Oh, this is moving. I hope we break out. I really hope we break out. I don't want us to fail. I'm tired of being in this freaking range. I just want a trend, dude. Just want a freaking trend. Damn it, but technically speaking, we don't usually get trends. Well, let's see. Yeah, we don't usually get trends after like 10:30. It's like rare. It's like super rare we get trends at 10:30. I usually get them. It's not really a trend. We're still in this consolidate. We still like intraday's thing, It's just a reversal. 10:30. Yeah, it's like rare. Look at that. You barely made a high. 10:30. Oh look, we did on this. We broke out, trend a little higher, and then reversed back at one. But yeah, it's kind of rare to get trends on the after 10:30. If anything, this is a my hypothesis, right? On this, we come up to this area, right? Come up to this area, this resistance pre-market high. We wick it, we show weakness, and we just dump. We dump back into this demand down here. It's like ideal. That's what I think might happen. Come back up, show weakness, and we fail, and we just dump all into demand. That's what I think. That's what I think. Gold. Oh, gold is catching some crazy volatility, but it's like, look at this. It's like when this pushes higher, this wants to push lower. But then at the same time, at 10:05, and at 10:05, right, we held this basically freaking held. So it's like sometimes it's just like it's fucking weird. Gold, I think, is just its own market. Gold is its own market. Like that's what it is. It's its own market. You can't go off of nothing else but like gold. And we got some crazy volatility. You don't want to trade around this area. You don't. You want to show weakness, boom, take it. But you want to size like look at these candles, dude. Right now we're getting high volume. The ATR is at 50, so every candle is basically making $50 moves. So if you get in a short, you got to set like a $40 to $50 stop, and that's $100 a contract on a micro. On a mini, that's $1,000 stop. That's a lot. But I trade micro, so I'm still in the beginner stages. Beginner stages.
I don't either, but because
Let's see what happens up here in this resistance. It's almost 11, about to rock out at 11. I'm just chilling. 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 Gold wanna do it. I don't know. Get some more. One minute trade. I'm not gonna force it. Gold is breaking down, 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 down. Looks like we filling. Just fill that supply. On NQ and QQQ. I don't see an entry right here though. I don't see an entry. I'm gonna wait about 11, then I'll get off. Oh look, I just noticed something. This is the right shoulder. Kind of looks weird though. So I don't like doing that. I wanted to look good, and I wanted to look good, like the shape it makes, and also like the price action makes it look good. When them two line up, it's like guaranteed. It's like almost guaranteed. It's like guaranteed. Boom, gonna do it. Should A1. Like A1 sauce, dude. I don't like A1 sauce, but it's like A1 sauce. time I in. I wonder. I fucking wonder.
To go in the kit, and I was like, I don't
Do you only
mind
have names
what
that
goes...
rhyme with Ollie where you are?
We're called the Ollies.
The Ollies.
Yeah. There's
Alright, are we live? Alright, we're gonna put some music, guys. We're gonna put some music on. Can't be sad out here. I mean, I like listening to sad music. They gotta be like that, like, not that sad music.
What?
Go to the machine. Be careful.
Alright, it's 10:54. Couple more minutes to 11. I'm gonna hop off, go get something to eat. Oh. I'm break even again today, guys. It's kind of annoying, but I'd rather be that than red, right? I'd rather be that than red. Cause shit, like red, like red is something else. Alright, bet. We could go back up there, push a higher ballot. That would be an entry, but dude, just I don't know, dude. I don't want to wait for it. I don't want to. That's the thing. So, your the reason why I said I don't want to wait, I don't want to take a trade. It's usually okay, uh all the action happens between 9 and 11 o'clock. So anything after that, all the like the markets, like all stocks, all markets, all tickers, they tend to move slower, less volatile. After 11, uh, and then you're it's just the more patient you have to be, right? and 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 even then, if you're not even trending before 11 o'clock, you're pretty much just gonna be sitting there for hours, right? Until a setup comes or you make up a setup in your head. So it's better to just call it a day once you do like do whatever you do between those hours. Uh, and if you don't get none, just hop off and reset tomorrow. Hope for better action tomorrow. That's all. You don't really want to force trades. You don't really want to. You don't want to get back into gains either. So it's better just to get off and take your mind off of it, because it can be it can be stressful for sure. It can be stressful. Oh, hair, bro. I got a freaking hair loss like crazy, dude. Look at gold. Gold is pushing lower, but we have this have to break down below that one now, which is kind of fucking annoying. We gotta break down this one, come back, retest, look for it. Nah, it's just too much, bro. You don't want to fuck with it, but hey, let's see what happens here. I'll give it. Oh, I'll give it another. I'll give it another 5-10 minutes to see what these candles are doing on cues. Maybe we can catch a reject, maybe, but I'm not gonna force anything. If I see it's just fucking around, then I'm just gonna get off. I'm just vibing in, baby. I'm just vibing in, baby. I'm vibing in. Gotta check my emails too, man. Fuck. I'll check my emails real quick, then I'll hop off. Um, I guess. Mm, 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 Bro. No way. Yeah, I'm about to hop off stream, guys. This is we're just fucking around right now. Basically, we're not doing nothing. I'm about to hop off. I'll catch y'all guys tomorrow. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to be here on time at 9:20. Um. Oh yeah. Great day. Break even. Hope for better tomorrow. Break even yesterday. Break even today. And hope for better tomorrow.